Alright, fine. Go fight right now. Hold on. Chicken jockey. Oh my goodness, you chicken jockey. What the fuck? Get off! Stop saying chicken jockey. You chicken jockey. Chicken jockey. Oh my goodness, it's a real chicken jockey. Get. Ah! What are you doing? What the? Chicken jockey. Skeleton? Oh my goodness. What's good? What's good, skeleton? It's actually trying to... Oh my... This is a well done mod. This is such a well done mod. It's crazy. He's actually pretty fast. Not fast enough for me though. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Oh! I love this mod. I love the creeper. Oh my goodness. Chicken jockey. Oh my. Why is that funny? See. Look at them. They're shooting themselves, retards. Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh my goodness. That was... Die! Die, you fox! This isn't the true Minecraft experience, so like, look. We just have stuff, and then that's like real life, realistic. Come here, creeper. Tell me why. Oh my, this isn't it. So let me just make a couple adjustments. Whoa! Oh my goodness, we're actually in Minecraft. This is weird. Oh yeah, full set of diamond armor.
Diamond armor, full set.
Why did it do that?
Diamond armor, full set.
So every time I look at myself.
Diamond armor, full set.
That's weird. Ah, la la la, I'm just mining some wood. Hello? Oh no! Oh! What is this skin? What is that? It's like I'm actually in VR Minecraft. Oh. Open the lid. Open the lid. Open the lid. My pickaxe! Oh yeah, what's that? Ching! Oh my goodness. Let go of my sword. Why, you fat fucking piece of rotten flesh. Oh yeah, I killed his ass. This is so stupid. What you? Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, getting full piece. That's crazy. Can you let go of my sword? It's good. I can still attack you with my pickaxe. Oh no, but you're gonna hold on to that one too. Okay, well I just turned him retarded. Oh yeah. Oh no, a creeper. A creeper. We gotta kill it. Ah! We kill it? We killed it! Let's go! Oh! It's a real one. Ah! I'm driving it. Oh! This looks like a good place to drive it. Alright. Minecart versus zombie. Oh yeah. What's good? It's kind of slow, like in the real game. Boom! Oh! Damn. You versus the shotgun from Granny. Oh my goodness, no, die.